Murf AI Review Usage Experience. Murf AI is a versatile text-to-speech (TTS) platform that transforms written content into professional-grade voiceovers, ideal for content creators, educators, and businesses. Designed to streamline the process of producing high-quality audio, Murf offers over 120 voices in 20-plus languages, catering to diverse needs like video narration, podcasts, audiobooks, and e-learning materials. One standout feature is the ability to customize pitch, speed, and tone, enabling you to craft a voice that perfectly aligns with your brand or message. For creators working with scripts, Murf's AI integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Docs and offers a built-in text editor with pronunciation adjustments for absolute precision. Another highlight is its robust background music and synchronization feature, which lets you match voiceovers to your visuals effortlessly. Who is Murf AI for? It's a game changer for anyone needing professional audio without the complexity of traditional recording setups. Marketers can use it for ad campaigns, educators can simplify creating interactive lessons, and entrepreneurs can elevate presentations with engaging voiceovers. It's especially useful for freelancers and startups looking for budget-friendly solutions, as it eliminates the need for hiring voice actors. From my experience, Murf's interface is intuitive, making it accessible even for beginners. Uploading scripts is simple, and the real-time voice preview ensures you can tweak your audio as needed before exporting. The platform is cloud-based, so there's no software to install, and it supports exporting in multiple formats like MP3 and WAV. On the downside, while the voice quality is exceptional, achieving the perfect tone for some niche accents might require extra fine-tuning. However, the advanced customization tools make this manageable. In summary, Murf AI delivers exceptional value by combining professional quality voiceovers with ease of use. Whether you're a YouTuber needing engaging narration, a business owner creating training materials, or an e-learning developer enhancing courses, Murf AI empowers you to produce polished audio with minimal effort. It's affordable, efficient, and packed with features that adapt to your needs. Based on my usage, I highly recommend Murf AI for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile TTS solution.